Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to move your Google Chat bar to the left side or the right side depending on where you want it. Google Chat is going to be released on rapid release to those domains starting on June 3rd and then shortly after on scheduled domains through the next coming weeks. So let's get started. What you'll do is you'll either have it on this side or this side, and we'll show you how to switch those. What you'll do is you'll come up to this little icon, settings icon here, click on settings. First of all, you'll want to make sure that chat and meet are on. So if they're on, click it on, show meet here as well. Then what you'll do is you'll go to advanced, and right here where it says right side chat says enable or disable. If you enable it, it will keep your chat over on the right side. If you disable it, it will keep your chat over on the left side. So if I click on disable, click save changes, what you'll see once we refresh the page is that my chat is now over here on the left. Now the reason you'd want to have it over on the left is if you have a small inbox and all of your folders are organized over here, you can see that everything here is nice and clean. If I go to my other account, you'll see that it's not as clean, and on the left side it gets a little bit messy. So we'll jump over to my other account, my school account, click on settings, go to advanced, click on disable. We'll save those changes, and what you'll see here is my chat shrinks my folders here, so I have to scroll down on both of these. You could turn off the meet. I use meet regularly, almost on a daily basis for IEPs, and so that's going to clog up some stuff here. This will clog up things here, but that's how you move the Google Chat to the left or the right side of your Gmail. Again, if this saved you time, saved you frustration, and saved you energy, as well as brought you value, go ahead and like and subscribe. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.